Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to turn blog articles into engaging short-form videos like this.
Breaking AI news. In the fast-paced world of artificial intelligence, staying updated is critical. As advancements continue to reshape industries, we've compiled a must-read list of the top 10 AI blogs that every enthusiast and professional should follow.
This isn't a perfect video. It's just a quick demo to show how you can turn any blog article into a video using an AI avatar, screenshot background, and subtitles. You can fully customize the avatar and voice using 11 Labs and HeyGen for a more advanced, high-quality result for platforms like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels without extensive video editing. You'll need accounts with Airtable, Firecrawl, Appify, HeyGen, and a custom API toolkit hosted on DigitalOcean. Everything is free except DigitalOcean hosting, which costs a few dollars for a few hours of runtime before you can shut it down. Let's dive into building the workflow. The workflow has 4 key parts: fetching blog data from Airtable, scraping the article, generating a video script and screenshot, and creating the final video with a custom background and captions. We'll focus on generating shorts first, then cover the RSS feed for sourcing articles later. Start with an Airtable node to retrieve blog data. Configure it to fetch rows from your Airtable base, specifically the article URL. Execute the node to confirm it outputs the URL. Next, add a switch node to route the workflow based on metadata. If the article text isn't in Airtable, it takes the first route to scrape the content. Execute the switch node to verify it follows the first route when the article text is missing. In the first route, use an HTTP request node with Firecrawl to scrape the article. To set up Firecrawl, go to firecrawl.dev, log in and navigate to API keys. Copy your API key. In the HTTP request node, set authentication to generic credential type with header auth. Click Create New Credential, name it Authorization, and enter bearer, your API key. Paste the key after bearer with a space. Save the credential. Set the body content type to JSON. Paste this JSON, referencing the article URL from the Airtable node by dragging it into the URL field. Execute the node to retrieve markdown of the scraped article like top 10 AI blogs covering trends and breakthroughs. Firecrawl excels at scraping websites, ensuring clean, usable content. Next, capture a screenshot of the article's web page for the video background using Appify's website screenshot generator. Go to appify.store, create an account, and search for Website Screenshot Generator. In the Tools API dropdown, find the Run Access Synchronously endpoint. Copy the post request URL, which includes your Appify API key. In n8n, add another HTTP request node for Appify. Paste the copied URL. Since the API key is embedded, no separate authentication is needed. Set the body to JSON, dragging the article URL from the Airtable node. Execute to generate a screenshot URL. Now, generate a video script using an AI node with OpenAI's GPT. Set the prompt. Reference the scraped article text from the Firecrawl node. Execute the node to produce an engaging script, like the one in our intro. Next, update Airtable with the article text, script, and screenshot. Add an Airtable node set to Update Record. Match records by ID using the Airtable node's record ID. Map fields, article text to the Firecrawl output, video script to the AI node output, and screenshot to the Appify screenshot URL. Execute to update Airtable. Refresh your Airtable base to confirm the new data. Run the switch node again. Since the article text now exists, it routes to the second branch for video generation with HeyGen. Create a HeyGen account, go to Settings, then Subscription and API, and copy your API key. Add an HTTP request node for HeyGen. Set the URL to the Create Video endpoint from HeyGen's API documentation. Use generic credential type with header auth. Create a credential named Authorization with value bearer, your API key. Paste the key after bearer with a space. In the JSON body, include avatar ID, input text, voice ID, callback ID, and callback URL. For avatar ID, go to HeyGen's avatars, create or select an avatar with a green screen background, and copy its ID, paste it into the JSON. For input text, drag the video script from the Airtable node. For voice ID, go to HeyGen's AI Voices, select a voice, copy its ID via the three-dot menu, and paste it. For callback ID, drag the Airtable record ID. For callback URL, create a webhook in Airtable. In Airtable, go to Automations. Add a new automation with the trigger when webhook is received. Copy the webhook URL displayed on the right and paste it into the HeyGen node's JSON. Execute the HeyGen node. If pinned data causes issues, unpin and retry. The node submits the video request to HeyGen, which may take a few minutes to process. In Airtable, test the webhook by running the automation. The webhook receives HeyGen's callback, including the video URL. In the automation, add an update record action. Set the record ID to the callback ID from the webhook's event data. Add a video field mapping to the video URL. Run the automation to update Airtable with the video URL. Check Airtable to confirm the AI video field is populated. Click the URL to view the video, run the switch node again. With the video URL present, it routes to the third branch to set the screenshot as the video background, replacing the green screen. Add an HTTP request node for Stephen G. Pope's No-Code Architect Toolkit, a free tool hosted on DigitalOcean. All credits to Stephen. Create a DigitalOcean account and go to Create Project. Name it like Video Editing Toolkit and create it. In the project, select Create App Platform. Choose Docker as the container type and set the repository to Stephen Pope / No-Code Architect Toolkit - latest. Name the app. Set it as a web service with one container for cost efficiency. You can run it for 2 to 3 hours and cancel afterward to minimize costs, approximately $5 a month. Configure environment variables. Go to DigitalOcean Spaces Object Storage and create a new space. Choose a region like London, LON1. Select your project, Video Editing Toolkit, and name the bucket. Create the space. In the Spaces settings, generate an access key. Copy the access key ID and secret. Return to the app platform setup and add these environment variables. API key, set to a custom value. S3 endpoint URL. Use the Spaces URL. S3 access key. Paste the access key ID. S3 bucket name, set to NCA install practice. S3 region, set to LON1, or your region, for example, NYC3 for New York. Save and create the app. I'm skipping creation since mine is already set up. In the n8n HTTP request node, set the URL to your DigitalOcean app's endpoint. Use generic credential type with header auth. Create a credential named XAPI key, not authorization, with the value from API key, test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set the body to JSON. The file URLs include the screenshot and video URLs from Airtable. Set cropping style to 720 by 1280, HeyGen's free version resolution. For color code, use the green screen, identified via a color picker tool like colorpicker.me. Upload your avatar image to confirm the green screen's hex code. Execute the node to replace the green screen with the screenshot as the video background. Add another HTTP request node to generate captions using the same DigitalOcean endpoint. Configure authentication identically, XAPI key. Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Set the JSON body. Use the video URL and webhook URL from Airtable. Execute to add captions. Check Airtable to confirm the captioned video. The workflow now produces a short video with the blog's screenshot as the background and captions. Finally, set up an RSS feed workflow to source new articles. Add a schedule trigger node to run weekly, for example, every Monday at 9 a.m. Add an Airtable node to fetch URLs from an RSS table, tracking the last runtime to ensure only new articles are processed. Add an RSS feed node to extract articles from your chosen feed. Update Airtable with new URLs via another Airtable node set to create record. Link this workflow to the main workflow to process new articles automatically. That's it. You can customize the RSS schedule or add creative tweaks. This workflow turns blogs into engaging shorts automatically. I'll see you in the next tutorial.